Here's a RCA combination VCR and DVD recorder with a built-in DTV tuner. A friend of mine gave this to me today. He found it in the garbage. Figured I might want it. And it even had the remote control laying on top of it. Now, you know I'm not a big fan of modern Chinese crap, but I would like to get this going if I can. If for no other reason, I can use the digital tuner in it. This thing is totally inoperative, totally dead. And when I remove the cover, I notice this capacitor right here is bloated out the top, so we know that's bad. And this capacitor here, I don't know what the deal is with it. They appear to have it standing up on stilts, so to speak. So let's pull this power supply board and see if it can be easily repaired. I find in modern electronics, cheap quality capacitors is the most common part to go bad. Hopefully that'll be the case here. And here we are back in the workshop with the power supply board removed. We'll now replace this questionable capacitor and check anything else that looks suspicious. Well, it's definitely bad. It's supposed to be a 470 microfarad. It's reading only 2.8 microfarads, so yeah, I would say that needs to be changed. And by the way, what brand is this? Let's see who made this cap. Well, whatever that emblem stands for, it doesn't tell me much. It's obviously most likely the cheapest Chinese crap part they could get. So let's dig around for a 470 at 16 volts and see what happens. Well, after replacing that one capacitor, it now comes to life, which it wasn't doing before. So now we will connect this to a television and see what it does. Here we're now connected to the little 13-inch Zenith TV. We'll try the VCR side first. And naturally it's not working. Okay, the VCR part is not wanting to work, so let's see if the DVD will work. I don't know. Gotta love this Chinese crap. Well, I finally got it to accept a tape, and then I pressed play and it went into rewind mode. Yeah, once again, you gotta love this modern crappy Chinese garbage. I knew that would be too simple just to get by with just replacing one capacitor, and that fixed the problem. Well, I had such bad reception on the Zenith, I switched it over to the 26-inch RCA color track, and apparently this VCR doesn't output an NTSC RF signal, or if it does, I can't figure out how to get it to come up. So let's try again. Okay, after much fiddling around, we finally got the DVD player to work. Now let's give the VCR a try.
Went out and did this great story on our computer programming story. Well, let's just...
Now the VCR is working, but I don't know how well I trust it.
It's all about the beauty and clarity.
Yeah, it's stopping and fluttering every once in a while, and it sounds like it's mangling the tape. Okay, whatever. Yeah, we're now attempting to program the channels into memory. Let's see if it finds any. At least maybe we'll get a decent DTV tuner out of this hunk of junk. You know, I don't like home entertainment devices that remind me more of my computer than anything else. Yes, I'm sure I want to stop this operation. And the joys of crappy-ass digital television.
Las Vegas.
Yeah, this is just real fabulous, isn't it?
Now, come on. You know.
Let's see if I can figure out how to change the channel on this damn.
And we got stuck in traffic.
I can tell you I'm not impressed with the
Street figures.
digital tuner on this piece of crap.
It doesn't matter that he has blonde hair.
No, because my brother had blonde hair when he was born.
Right.
And it's dark now.
Okay. So how did Josh, when you got from Toronto, a man who crack? But to be fair, there's not a lot to do in Toronto. Come on, guys. I'm just saying. No. Not to say. Allegedly.
Totally non-existent. Well, I'm not impressed, to say the least. Just more modern, crappy Chinese garbage. Alright, whatever. Thanks for watching. I'll get back to something vintage next time.